a chance to join Radio 1 on holiday this summer. Listen to 6 Weeks of Summer, now on Radio 1.
An eventful year in the life of Bob Marley, with a near-death experience and what's been described as the album of the century. Arena begins BBC One's Sign Zone in a few minutes. First on BBC One, the late night weather details now as we head into a new week with John Hammond.
Hello there. Well, after a promising start, the weekend rather flattered to deceive with some heavy thundery downpours developing during the course of Sunday. However, today doesn't look too bad. For most of us, it's a bright and breezy affair with some lengthy spells of sunshine if you're lucky, but we've still got to get rid of this huge cluster of cloud which has been responsible for some thundery downpours over the last few hours. They're still rumbling away out there. Up across northern parts of England, some fairly steady rain, Northern Ireland too, but it's turning lighter as it gets into Scotland. Another cluster of thunderstorms not far away from the far southeast of England. A very steamy night here. For most of us, temperatures held 11 to 14 degrees. Now, there'll be some showers around across West Wales first thing in the morning, but hopefully the cloud will break up inland to reveal some sunshine. For Northern Ireland, though, it's going to be a bit of a struggle. It's going to be a cloudy and at times damp start to the day, as it will be across a good part of Scotland. Maybe some early brightness across the northwest Highlands, but this area of rain will be edging its way slowly northwards through the day. Grey, misty start for a good part of northern England, but the cloud will tend to break up, as it should do across the Midlands and much of southern England, to reveal some sunshine. But there's that thundery rain still threatening southeastern parts of England just for a time, first thing in the morning. Some breaks developing out west, though, across Devon and Cornwall. And here there'll be a few showers scattered around, particularly towards exposed southwestern coast. But for most places, the cloud will tend to break up, and we should see some good spells of sunshine. That thundery rain clearing off out into the North Sea, and the rain continuing to journey its way northwards through Scotland. For the Midlands, though, a bright and breezy afternoon, some sunshine, and pleasantly warm out of the breeze and in the sun, up into the low 20s. For Scotland, we might see some brightness across the central belt later on, but further north it's going to be cloudy and damp and cool. Some brightness for Northern Ireland after that damp start, but here we'll see some heavy showers developing, I fancy, through the afternoon. There'll be a scattering of showers across Wales, but as you can see, some lengthy spells of dry and bright weather, as there will be across southwestern parts of England too. Temperatures in Plymouth getting up to around about 19 degrees, 21 in Cardiff, so actually not feeling too bad to start the new working week. Across the far southeast, 23 degrees in London, not as hot as it has been, but still quite pleasant. Now, as we go into the night time, most of the showers will die down, at least for a time, but there'll be another cluster arriving across southwestern areas as we hit dawn. Quite a mild and quite muggy night as well. Into Tuesday, showers becoming quite widespread across the UK, and they'll be pushed on by quite a blustery wind. Feeling cool, temperatures high teens, low 20s. Similar pattern through the rest of the week. Certainly for northern areas, temperatures really will struggle. There'll be showers there or thereabouts, and some of them could well be quite heavy and possibly thundery too. No sign of summer either further south across the UK after that brief visit of hot weather through the weekend. Things cooling down with a further scattering of quite heavy showers from time to time. Much more info, of course, can be found as ever on our website. Good night.
It's a big picture now. Here we go.
Get away this summer with the heroes of British cinema on a journey up the 39 steps, into the Ipcress file, and from Russia with love. Take a spin with Billy Elliot, rub shoulders with a third man, and meet a very educating Rita.
Come on in, Arno.
On set, behind the scenes.
Do you want to do it again? I said, I don't think I can.
How it happened, why it happened.
The heroes don't wear glasses.
Get into the summer of British film. Coming soon on BBC Two.
Here on BBC One, Elliot's reputation is on the line in Harby City, 5 to 2. First in the Sign Zone on BBC One, and with some strong language, Arena tells the story of an extraordinary year in the life of Bob Marley.